Hi, I'm Larry. Welcome back. This is part 4 of frequently asked questions about power screeds. When it comes to maintenance of power screeds, there's a few things you want to keep in mind. With gas engines, I'd recommend using a higher octane fuel, like a 91, just so that gas doesn't go bad, or put fuel stabilizer in it. Additionally, these all have oil, a little bit of oil in it, and the amount for these Honda engines, for example, is very small. It's like 3 fluid ounces, so just a little bit. So if you put too much oil, just a note, when you first starting these up, they might get real smoky and it might flood the engine. So just a little tiny oil, added as needed. Try to make sure that the engine's level when you're added. So that's kind of for startup, but for maintenance, always have oil, gas, fuel stabilizer. That's your best bet. That's kind of it when it comes to engines. When it comes to cleaning your equipment, you guys are in concrete. I don't need to tell you this, but if you wipe it off, earlier wipe off your equipment and take care of it, the better it's going to be. So that's my only advice when it comes to that sort of thing. And then at the end of each season, I'd check your throttle cables and things like that and make sure they look good. If they're not looking good, just replace them. Usually the parts are not that expensive. We're talking $30 to replace a throttle cable, or maybe $40. So maintaining your equipment, it's going to last for years. So that's all I have to say about kind of power screed maintenance, but it's not very complicated. Another common question we get is, how long have you guys been making power screeds and where are they shipping from? So we've been making these power screeds since 2012, and we ship nationwide and into Canada. And we have 3 distribution centers. So for the East Coast, we'll ship out of Atlanta. For the West Coast, we'll ship out of San Diego. And for Canada, we'll ship out of Toronto. So our goal is to get you guys your power screed in 2 to 5 business days. So if you order on Monday, you're gonna have it on Friday and get your job done. This blade, you can mount it on top of your car and reuse it if you want, but this is just the package. The blade comes in here, it's protected, and trucks will pick this up, and you have yourself a little carrying case if you want later. All right, thank you for taking the time to hear questions about power screeds. I hope you guys learned a little bit. If you have more questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to try to reach out to you and get those answered. But thank you for learning, and we'll see you guys out there.